Do you want to know how you can log in to My Mortgage by First National? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log in to My Mortgage by First National. It's a mortgage created by First National, and I'm going to teach you how you can log in to your First National mortgage account. Go ahead and open your Chrome or Edge browser, and in the Google search bar search for First National Mortgage Login. Click onto the first link which appears on your screen, which will take you to My Mortgage by First National's official page. Now, in this bar over here, enter your username, and in this bar enter your password. You can hide or unhide the password according to your wish, and click Remember Me if you want your browser to remember you. You can even set your nickname and then click on Login. This way you can successfully log in to My Mortgage by First National. If in case you forgot your password, click on this link and then write down your email address. This way if you submit, a mail will be sent and you can verify the mail and reset the password quite easily. And if you want to know more about the My Mortgage by First National, click on this link. Now, if you haven't created an account, click on Register Now and you can easily create a First National Mortgage account. I hope this video about My Mortgage by First National was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention this on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.